Hey guys, welcome back to Gaia Yoga. I'm TJ, and for this week I thought we'd do a short sequence on yoga for lower back pain. Recently I've been having a lot of people ask me about what poses they could do at home to help relieve lower back pain, so I thought I'd just make a video about it. For this sequence though, you will need a couple of yoga blocks and a yoga strap. Feel free to use whatever you have at home, but grab your props, grab your mat, and let's get started. So let's start in Supta Baddha Konasana with the soles of our feet together, legs open to the sides like a book. Lying down on our backs, take your eyes to a close, and just bring your attention to your breath. Try and deepen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. Connecting with your breath and body. Inhaling and exhaling. Go ahead and plant the soles of your feet on your mat, knees up towards the sky, and let's figure four the right ankle on top of the left knee for a reclined pigeon. You'll thread your right arm through the hole and grab around the left thigh, hugging your leg into your chest. Maybe rocking side to side along your spine if that feels good. Coming out of reclined pigeon, go ahead and grab your yoga strap and wrap it around the sole of your right foot. Straighten your right leg up towards the sky and try and pull it as close to your face as you can, still trying to keep that right leg straight. Go ahead and place your yoga strap to the side and take your right leg across your body, right arm out to a T for a supine twist. Let's come out of this twist. Replant the sole of your right foot on your mat and figure four your left ankle across your right knee. Go ahead and thread your left hand through the hole and wrap your arms around your right thigh or shin, hugging your knee closer to your chest. Feel free to rock side to side. Release the leg. Grab your yoga strap and wrap it around the sole of your left foot, straightening it up towards the sky and pulling it towards your body. Release your foot and place the strap off to the side. We'll take this left leg across our body, left arm out to a T for that supine twist. Go ahead and untwist and hug your knees into your chest. Feel free to rock side to side a couple of times before rocking up and down along our spine till we meet up in seated. Let's move into tabletop on our hands and knees. And move through some cat-cows, arching your spine and tucking your tailbone, and then taking your chest up towards the sky. With each cat-cow, try and exaggerate it just a little bit more. Go ahead and grab your yoga blocks and place them on your mat in front of you. There are 3 positions for this stretch: down on the face, up on the side, and up on the ends, making them as tall as they can be. Whichever height you choose, go ahead and place your elbows on them and sink down into this. Come out of this stretch and set your yoga blocks off to the side. Go ahead and sink your chest down towards your mat, keeping your hips stacked over your knees for puppy pose. You can be up on your chin, or if that hurts your neck too much, you can be down on your forehead. Coming out of puppy pose, go ahead and lie all the way down on your mat, taking your right arm out to a T and placing the sole of your left foot on the opposite side of your right leg. Go ahead and untwist, and let's take this stretch over to the other side. So left arm out to a T and place the sole of your right foot on the opposite side of that left leg. Go ahead and untwist and reach back with both hands and grab the top of both feet. We're going to move into full bow. So go ahead and push the tops of your feet into the palms of your hand and lift your chest and legs up. Go ahead and release all the way down on your mat, and let's sit back into child's pose. From child's pose, let's rise up into downward dog, taking a moment to pedal out your feet, bending one leg and then the next. Go ahead and take your gaze in between your hands and step up to your hands, coming to that halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Forward fold, grabbing opposite elbows and just swaying from side to side like a rag doll. From here, we'll straighten all the way up to mountain pose and then back to heart center. Reach your hands back up towards the sky, and with that right hand, grab the left wrist and bend over towards the right side. Switch the stretch over to the other side, grabbing your right wrist with your left hand and bending towards the left side. Come back to neutral and interlace your hands behind your back. We'll forward fold, trying to pull those hands away from our back. Release the hands and drop down onto your mat. Go ahead and grab one yoga block. And we'll lie down onto our back, planting the soles of your feet as close to your sit bones as you can. Let's move into supported bridge, and once again, you can have the block at any height level that your body needs. So go ahead and place the block underneath the sternum. Feel free to take your eyes to a close and focus on your body. Go ahead and remove your yoga block and find a wall. Try and shimmy up as close to the wall as you can get, taking your legs directly up the wall and resting them on it. Once again, feel free to take your eyes to a close and just relax. Go ahead and come out of legs up the wall, and we'll move back into that Supta Baddha Konasana. So bring the soles of your feet together, knees open like a book, and lie back down onto your mat. Let gravity pull your knees down towards the ground. Using both hands, grab the outside of both of your feet, pointing the soles of your feet up towards the sky for happy baby pose. Feel free to rock side to side along your spine if that feels good. Plant the soles of your feet down on your mat, knees up towards the sky, and just start to windshield wiper your knees from side to side, taking soft spinal twists. Release your legs all the way down onto your mat as we relax into Shavasana. Palms up towards the sky, eyes to a close. bring your attention back to your breath, deepening your inhales and lengthening your exhales. Take some small movements with your hands and feet. And then when you're ready, roll onto your favorite side and we'll meet up in seated. Thanks for joining me today, guys.